Danish Gamer TV fans, let's go ahead and play a game called Islands. This is also made by the creators of Bed Wars. This video is just going to be a tutorial, so it's going to be 2 or 3 minutes. Just for a small tutorial. Either if it's 4 minutes or 5 minutes, well, it's just a small tutorial. So, yeah, let's get into the game. So, in this game, if you want to go in shift log, you have to click control. Yeah, you have to click control. Okay, so as you can see, I have quite a lot of stuff in this game. So first, you kind of have a workbench tier 1. Let me get it out and place it so then you guys can see. No, so actually the first thing you really have is this workbench. When you click it, you can create a wooden pickaxe. After that, you can create a workbench tier 1 with 5 wood, I'm pretty sure. So when you create the workbench tier 1, you can create all of this stuff. You can create a wooden axe and a wooden sword. After that, you can create a stone pickaxe. How you get stone, it's not from here. It's not your stone that you think. Wait. Actually, the stone, you can also mine it here if you want. Cause I'm pretty sure you can mine it here. Yeah, and then if you fall, it's okay because you'll respawn. Okay, so as you can see, when you create this stone pickaxe, I still need 5 wood. Then you have to go up to your trees and say, "What's up?" And then they'll give you it. No, they won't. Except you got to mine them down. When you mine them down, you can see you can create a stone pick. There, you have a stone pick. So you can also mine them here. You can also mine stone here. So then when you make a stone pickaxe, you get a stone axe and a stone sword. A plow is to actually support seeds planting. Watering can, you have the stone circle, you have a wooden fishing rod. Net is to catch bees, fireflies, and stuff. So then how you get stone a little easier instead of just mining your whole island. No. Okay, so actually let me head back to the real start. So yeah, it will say that you have to actually build 5 blocks across to the middle island, which is where everything is. So let me go to my tree farm. This is a tree farm. A tree farm. Exactly. It's a tree farm. I'm not sure if I broke any saplings, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. But you know what? It's okay. Okay. So now let me go through this portal that was just there in the hub. Now let me show you. It is flying to the hub. As you can see, we are flying to the hub. When we're here, you have a lot of other players. This person's lagging for some reason. Okay. So what you can do in the hub is that you can go behind all these stuff and then you can go mine. This black ore is coal. This white ore is iron. And this like kind of very silver thing, it's stone. You can get easier stone from that though. It's very easy. As you know, it is very easy to get that. So then when you get out your stone sword, a stone pickaxe, and a stone axe, you can do other stuff that you can do with your workbench tier 1. But for me, I have a workbench tier 2 since I'm very experienced into the game. So when you get back to your island, which I'm doing that right now, it's just placing all the blocks. Okay, so when you get back to your island, and also you can place the workbench tier 1 anywhere you want. It can also be over there, but for me, I'll place it here. So you can see, when you're in here, you can create a plow, which supports seed planting. You can also create a lot of stuff. How you create oak planks and oak slabs, I'll teach you that in the workbench tier 2. It's probably after you buy all this stuff, the good stuff. I think it would be best to get a workbench tier 2. It causes 50 wood, 50 stone, and 50 iron. As you know, I have iron ore. But this is iron ingots. Yeah, that is iron ingots. So, they don't call iron ingots, but they do. Okay, so this is an iron ore. It's a small iron ore that you can mine in the hub. It can only be found in the hub. So then you can create campfires. A campfire, yeah. This is a campfire. You need 10 wood for that. I just need 1 wood for that. So that when you create a campfire, you can smelt basic ores and cooking simple foods. So you might be wondering, what do I use the foods for? For me to eat? Well, no, because it doesn't give you any hunger. But what really you can do is you can actually feed your cow, which I'm not sure where he is, but he is somewhere. As you know, cows can't go missing. Yeah, so here's my cow. So as you can see, he is sleeping. As you can see, his favorite food is bread. But the thing is that your animal could be anything too. Your animal, it could be any food. Every animal has a different selection of what they want in food. So when you can create a workbench tier 2, which I have, and I don't have a workbench tier 3, as you can see, you can create a lot. Well, not a lot more stuff, but yeah, quite a little more stuff. Just a little more stuff, and also more fancy. This is a workbench tier 3. Which has 400 iron ingots. You need 50 stone, and also you need 20 maple wood, which is from maple saplings that you can buy. As you can see, here's my cow. He likes bread. So, as you can see, I just feeded my cow. So, now you can't actually create an iron tools, but what you can create is you can create an anvil. It costs 50 iron, used to craft advanced tools, and I have an anvil. So right here you can create iron tools with the anvil. I have an iron axe, an iron sword, and an iron pickaxe. So you can see I have an iron axe, I have an iron pickaxe, and I have an iron sword. Which you can also do that. You can also create diamond tool, but I didn't unlock that yet. And I can create arrows too, which you need probably a bow first if you want to create arrows, because here's a basic bow. I have a basic bow. As you can see, there's my bow. You can also create an hardened bow limb, which is from 300 maple wood, but me, I use 100 normal wood. So you can create an artifact bow, which I can have. For one hardened bow limb, which that means that you have to craft this first, then you can craft this. I need ancient slime string. You just have a ruby staff that is 10 rubies and 2 gilded steel rods. Here's an opal thing. I don't really know what these really are, but yeah, it's cool. So here's an obsidian greatsword, which is obsidian hilt and crystallized obsidian. Yeah, crystallized obsidian. Yeah, it's a little hard to say that for me. So then, let me just feed my camera really quick, okay? So then when you have done everything, now let me show you how to get to diamond mines. And then, and also you can have a big farm just as me to create wheat. As you can see, it's very big. Okay. I got a lot of wheat. Look at that. That's a lot of wheat. Okay. So as you can see, here is my little base that I actually got. So here you can go to the this is my tower. This is kind of like, the cafe, just, the place. And then you can go up here. Here is kind of, the balcony. Here, when you go down and you go up the ladder, here's kind of like the rooftop where, you can see everything. So now let me show you where diamond mines are. So you can also grab cooking tables and furniture tables, but you should do that when you have the items too. Well, I mean, cooking tables, they're pretty important if you have a cow, because, you always have a cow. And then, Okay, so how you get to diamond mines is you have to go through the Slime Island portal. When you're in the Slime Island portal, also, you need to have skill levels, which as you can see, I have quite a lot. The ones that I don't have is heavy melee and magic. So as you can see, you can fight some slimes here. These little slimes that don't know what to do. So you can go Bokafor Island, but except you need combat level 7, but I have combat level 25. So then, basically when you come here, you can see these little dinosaurs. Which, no, they don't give you diamonds. But where you can get the diamonds are, you can go down here, and then you go here, and then you can go right in here. When you're in here, it's a little secret cave where diamond mines are, but it requires combat level 46, and I have a combat level of 25. So yeah, I need 21 more levels so I can get to diamond mines to show you guys. But though this is the end of the basic tutorial for islands. So bye. Hope you enjoy the video.